Okay, PWS MK216 feed problems. Brand new mag pull, 20 LR magazines, running CBC M80 ball ammo, having failure to feed and failure to extract problems. Fresh magazine, what, about 5 rounds in it?
Yeah.
We're going to go ahead and fire some rounds.
Starting now.
Stovepipe.
Might want to pause.
Lock the bolt back. There you go. Alright, that was exactly 1 round.
Firing now.
Firing round number 2. Failure to feed. Failure to feed.
Firing now.
That looks good. Nope. Failure to feed. Stick in the chamber.
Firing now.
Let's see if it fed. Try again.
Firing now.
Last round. So I don't know what the problem is. We're getting failure to feed and failure to extract. In the past, we've seen double loads where it failed to extract, tried to load the next one in on top of the unspent round.
How many rounds since your last cleaning?
I cleaned it last night.
So 10
the
rounds.
chamber is sparkling. The magazine well is sparkling. The bolt carrier is sparkling. Took the firing pin out. Everything is sparkling clean. Lubed. Chamber was scrubbed. Ran a bore snake through it. I don't know what the problem here is.